welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I'll be showing you the thing that I'll be buying for today since we received our first salary of YouTube last week. So thank you so much for all your support, for going with my journey. So as you all know guys, that we haven't had our refrigerator for quite 6 months already due to the lockdown, a sudden lockdown here in Cebu, and we were supposed to go out from the country last March. Unfortunately, there was a sudden lockdown, so we are still here in Cebu, got stuck. Hoping that the lockdown won't take that long, we didn't buy a refrigerator, but it's already September and we haven't had that, and December is approaching and we don't know when this situation will be solved and when it will be back to normal yet. So I and my husband decided that we need to purchase a refrigerator this time, and luckily our salary of YouTube came last week, so this is a very good timing wherein we can purchase a new refrigerator then. So before I go out guys, I'll show you where we used to place our refrigerator. This area here used to be where we placed our refrigerator, but now all the drinks are here. And it's placed in the plastic. The drinks are here in this plastic. We've been doing this since March, and the snacks are here. It was so funny this morning because my son was telling me, "Mommy, we have to save money because we need to buy a cabinet, a pantry cabinet." That's what he was telling me this morning. And with this box here, it's where we store our food. A lot of boxes are here. It's where we place our food for quite 6 months already. So later on, the refrigerator will arrive, so it will be placed here. This time it's so empty. It has been empty for 6 months already. So blessed then, because I and my husband received our first salary of YouTube last week, so this money will be used for our refrigerator that I am going to buy outside today. So thank you all guys for all your support, especially to YouTube for helping a lot of people. I'm going out now from the house. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. So this is the place we are currently living. So this is Fujidenzo guys. This is Fujidenzo, the northern part of Cebu. So before I'm heading to the hypermarket here in Fujidenzo, I am going to pay for our water bill. There is a tricycle already guys, so I'm going to ride it. friends, I just got out from that building at the back. I just finished paying for our water. A short tour on what is in Fujidenzo. And that is the Medellin Town Hall. Finally, friends, our refrigerator is here already.
Hi friends, this is the Kuya. We have a rest here now. Mommy bought help. We bought a ref and it's really big and I can't reach. So we're in this channel to see, open the box if it's a ref or not a ref. So bye bye friends. They are stuck.
finally here.
Okay, I'm breaking the tunnel. Look, there's a tunnel.
So
Come on,
this
let's go
is
in there.
our
Come on, let's go in the tunnel.
of YouTube, guys.
Come on, York, let's go to the tunnel. Come on,
For
York.
6 months without
Guys,
having this kind of refrigerator is now finally here.
Yeah.
Say hi to them.
Hi.
Thank you so much for your support.